Ensure your Honda Insight runs at its best with this premium replacement air filter, designed to deliver superior performance and engine protection. Compatible with Honda Insight 1.5L hybrid models from 2019 to 2021. This air filter is a direct replacement for the factory part number Honda 17226L2A01 and the PUROLATOR A11441, offering a perfect fit with no modifications required. Replacing your engine air filter is an easy and highly effective way to maintain the health of your engine. It's recommended to replace the air filter at least every 12,000 miles or as specified in your vehicle's owner's manual. Clean air is essential for optimal engine performance, ensuring smooth acceleration, increased power, and reduced fuel consumption. A fresh filter allows air to flow freely into the engine, which not only enhances performance but also prevents harmful particles from entering the engine, avoiding costly damage and wear. Don't let dirty filters cause unnecessary engine strain and wear. This air filter will help prevent damaging debris from entering your engine, which could lead to serious and costly engine repairs. Plus, it's incredibly easy to install, requiring little to no tools. Most users report a quick and simple installation process with this factory-fit filter that matches the shape and design of the original Honda part perfectly. Many customers have switched to this filter and have been thrilled with the results. It offers an affordable alternative to more expensive brands without compromising on quality or performance. In fact, it's been praised for being nearly identical to the factory part in terms of size and performance. Users have also reported noticeable improvements in acceleration and fuel efficiency within just a couple of months of use. Keep your engine running smoothly and efficiently with this affordable and reliable air filter. For the best engine health, make sure to change your air filter regularly. Click the link in the description to purchase now, and be sure to subscribe to the channel to discover more great products for your vehicle.